Hey.
Oh, hey, babe. Good morning.
Morning, babe.
Mwah, you made breakfast already?
Yeah, I made a favorite porridge.
Aww.
You know what? Let me sit over there.
I'm starving. So, that's great.
Babe, you check up on your friend already?
Friend?
Yeah,
oh, yes.
you need
we
to.
call her again later.
Yeah, because, you know, sometimes, especially these kind of trauma where women go through, sometimes them have this look fragment eye that still linger, and, you know.
I
so
do know.
you can just call her, and I'm proud of her, babe, that, you know, you can.
You're
jump
so
on them.
supportive.
Babe, I love you so much. My honey bunny. Babe, come before the pipes squirt.
Yes.
And are your favorite?
All right then, thank
Oatmeal. The true. Hold on, the cup. Sit down, my queen. Wow. It's not too sweet though, you know?
Okay.
Yeah. One.
I'm good.
You not answer your phone.
So I have to answer my phone? You don't know this a Kim this. If me answer this, she not stop. Yeah, she not gonna stop talk for now.
I understand, man. Why you put man problem as her name?
B, she always have a problem, the man call me. Yeah.
Babe, not answer it though.
Oh no, make me answer. Listen.
No.
Make my answer for
Babe, relax, no answer. Not this a problem here this morning. Not this problem this morning, babe. I beg you do. You know me love you, babe. Me no want no problem there this morning, babe. Make that stay. You understand?
For true, because she not.
Make them keep them problem. We have to look at things.
Right? Alright.
Babe. On a serious note, it's about time we go ride dog, you know. For true.
Really?
Really?
Why did you come to that conclusion?
Because I think it's time for us, rather, like, babe, listen.
I'm not ready for any children.
I don't know if I say we're ready for children, but we can pull out, you know. My pull-out game is slick, you know.
Oh.
You just need to try, man. We just never do it before, so you can't just say, you know.
Just give me some time, you know, like, just give me some time.
Like, today.
Today?
Yeah. Today we're going ride out.
I'm not prepared for that.
So I need to prepare.
I mean, it's just random. We always.
We're a couple, we've been together for a long time now. So it's time for us to rough, rah-dog,
Babe.
rah-dog.
Stop it! You know we can't bother with the door.
You can't do without me. Kim problem. It's what wrong with them people? Babe, yo. What wrong with them? You need to block and delete them.
No, it's just, you know.
Babe, go to your phone and find all of the Kim man problem. All of man problem.
Baby, relax. It's nothing. You remember that thing you asked for last night? Oh?
Still got some fire in me.
Really? Alright, come on.
Right now?
Yeah.
Right now? Mm-hmm. What is man?
Like, really? know him gone. Eh? No wonder why I'm so ignorant. No wonder why I have so much problem. But I have to go get a rose. No, sir. This not gonna work. It cannot work.
Still can't understand. All my father know about them thing is a disgrace. All of a sudden, all of a sudden, Johnny. Coming. I'm coming. Coming. That's the way, come in. Yo. Can't bother, you know.
Lord, why me? Can't bother no man. Kenny.
What now?
So you plan to leave me hanging?
How me if you leave you hanging? You don't see situation. Cookie, you don't see situation, I mean.
Skinny, why you do this?
Me, I know me I do it. What me I do? Tell me what you see me I do. What me I try.
Well, the best advice me can give you is, you see if the bottom rank now work, you need to make your top rank work.
Cookie.
Because we cannot live like this.
Yeah. Know what you say when you say what you say to me, eh? Because I neither eat chicken, beef, nor pork. Me only eat vegetable. And if it's not vegetable, I don't consider it edible.
So what you are going to do?
Sure.
You're not perform. Skinny, you're not perform.
Since when? Since when? Me I eat properly? Me not eat properly. Me not eat properly and I don't realize. When last you blend up some blend juice, give me.
You're lucky.
Me lucky. Everything alright, so for sure. Yeah.
Don't worry yourself,
For
man.
sure,
Don't
sure.
worry yourself.
But if it not perform down there, it perform up there. Up there where? Yo. What go on? My name is today, man. So everybody I link up today? Yeah, dude. You no random me, brother. No random, so. Yeah, I know say every Friday, but You know, they have some unfinished business me they want to take care of it too, you know. But me I link up right now, man. I get some closer and make a fit. Me I forward. I say me. Adidas. You know say, these slippers come like it have the same texture like a dragon and this one I'm away for sure. I wait the one for sure. Spare me soon come here.
Soon come. And when you come in and come? Yeah. By the way, where you go?
I link up with few of my G them down the road.
Few of your G them? Oh really?
Yeah.
So you leave me here so in my eat and now you run back a friend. Okay, no problem.
Me relax.
Go on.
I see me get something on the road for me.
No problem.
Get some mereg.
Me know exactly what to do. No problem. Okay? Yeah. No problem.
That's that, man. Come here, man. Oh, you still look red, sir. You still look red.
Don't even touch me.
Don't
even touch me.
Man. I know man love yourself for true. My cookie, for true. So come, eh?
Alright, later.
So come. For true.
You're gone. You know exactly what to do now. Alright, you know yourself.